Hi, I'm Marna, and I think I found something very exciting at Walmart yesterday. We'll see in a minute. I did want to show you what else I got, so I will quickly show you. I got this teddy, or this little dog in the hat. I thought it was really cute. And I am going to start buying the 47-cent ribbon. I'm going to get 4 of them every time I go for a while. It's less than $2, and with the prices going up of everything, well, I'd like to get some of that in stock. I found this in the Christmas aisle. It is 15 foot of gift trim for $1.48. That's going to be real cute with some doll crafts. And then they had a stapler on clearance. I figured the $1 for the clearance is worth 1,000 staples, so I bought it. But what I really bought this for is this hat. We're going to cut this off and see if we couldn't use it to make it'll either fit these dolls or I can make a pattern with it. So let's see what it will take to cut it off. Let me get my glasses. Okay, I'm pulling that way back, which is not easy with the fur, because I would like to save as much as it as I can. Oh good, my seam ripper's not. That is gonna work. So I took the seam ripper. I was able to get it out without harming the stuffed animal. That could be a Christmas gift for somebody. Now, here's the question. Will this hat fit? Oh, look at that. This is how crafters shop. We don't see what we see past it to see what it could become. Oh my goodness, that is adorkable. How cute, how cute, how cute. Now, it has this opening for the dog's ears. And what you can do is simply take your hand, stitch that up, stitch that closed. Blythe has a hat. Now, Blythe and the American Girl dolls have about the same size head. So look at that. It will also fit an American Girl. What you can do is add about 6 to 10 inches of ribbon. Just tack that in on either side and sew that up underneath, or add a piece of bias tape and bring 2 pieces in with a snap. How cute is that? So now I have a hat and a pattern. I can take this apart and make a pattern and a stuffed animal that I could give as a gift or keep for $2.98. And let's not forget, there's a scarf here too. Now, the back is not printed, but you could still get some cute pictures. And that too looks like it would just, if you took your seam ripper, you could just get that off and use it for your dolls. Like I said, you have to go into these places with a crafter's eye, and you'll be surprised what you can find. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.